Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are talking about KMU-CAT 2025 Chemistry MCQs Part 1C. Dear students, if you need MCQs for KMU-CAT test preparation, let me know in the comment section. अगर आपको KMU-CAT टेस्ट प्रिपरेशन के लिए MCQs चाहिए तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में बता सकते हैं. डियर व्यूवर्स, अभी तक अगर आपने मेरा YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो अभी सब्सक्राइब कर लें, लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर कर लें. अगर आप KMU-CAT टेस्ट के लिए तैयारी कर रहे हैं तो ये वीडियो आपके लिए है. इस वीडियो को आखिर तक ज़रूर देखें. What is the abnormal chain of amino acids in sickle cell anemia? Option A, alpha chain, B, beta chain, C, gamma chain, and option D, delta chain. So the correct option is B, beta chain. Explanation is sickle hemoglobin has a valine substitution in the beta globin chain. Side chains of all amino acids contain aromatic rings except option A, phenylalanine, B, alanine, C, tyrosine, and option D, tryptophan. So the correct option is B, alanine. Alanine has a simple methyl group side chain. So dear students, this is very important MCQs. Bonds that are formed between two cysteine residues are option A, disulfide, B, peptide, C, electrostatic, and option D, hydrophobic. So the correct option is A, disulfide. Cysteine residues can form covalent disulfide bridge. Glucose is option A, monosaccharide, B, disaccharide, C, polysaccharide, and option D, lipid. So the correct option is A, monosaccharide. Monosaccharide. Glucose is a monosaccharide simple sugar. Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from a technologist. Dear students, in humans NH3 is detoxified in the liver is option A, creatinine, B, uric acid, C, urea, and option D, uremic acid. So the correct option is C, urea. The liver's urea cycle converts ammonia to less toxic urea for excretion. The primary structure of a protein refers to option A, alpha helix, B, beta sheet, C, amino acid sequence, and option D, disulfide bonds. So the correct option is C, amino acid sequence. Primary structure equal to linear sequence of amino acids. Tollene's reagent is used to identify option A, alcohols, B, aldehydes, C, ketones, and option D, carboxylic acid. So the correct option is B, aldehydes. The side chain of which of the following amino acid contain a sulfur atom? Option A, methionine, B, threonine, C, leucine, and option D, tryptophan. So the correct option is A, methionine. Methionine contain a sulfur atom in its side chain. Dear students, this is very important MCQs. The pH of blood is approximately option A, 4.5, B, 7.0, C, 7.4, and option D, 9.2. So the correct option is C, 7.4. All the standard amino acids except the following have one chiral C atom. Option A, threonine isoleucine, option B, isoleucine alanine, option C, threonine and alanine, and option D, alanine and glutamine. So the correct option is A, threonine and isoleucine. These two amino acids have two chiral centers. If you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद है, बराए मेहरबानी मेरे YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर कर लें। Geometric isomers exist in option A alkanes, B alkenes, C alkynes, and option D both A and B. So the correct option is B alkenes. So this is the last MCQs. Benedict's solution tests for option A proteins, B reducing sugar, C lipids, and option D DNA. So the correct option is B reducing sugars. Thank you for watching my videos.